let's try to understand what is happening here with Bitcoin. Alright, so I'm just going to mark the daily support that was the one that hold the price in the present. Okay, this daily candle that was not tested. As you guys know, a bull candle on the bottom followed by two white candles is going to act as a strong support. Okay, and we have another one here, and with this one we created a big daily liquidity level. So a liquidity level is the lowest point of the first white candle when you find your big support. I'm going to mark this as dot and call it a liquidity level for you guys to understand. Okay, liquidity. Okay, pum pum pum. And look at this, my boys. This is the level that is holding the price on this range. So let's try to understand what is happening on this range. We have on the top a white candle followed by two bull candles. It's going to act as a big resistance. And we mark the wick. The price can go to the wick or to the body. Okay, for now we are just going to mark the wick because we are still in this range. So you can see when we test this daily support and we create that liquidity level. So to have a liquidity level, sorry, you need to have two tests. So this is the creation. Okay, we need the first one and the second one, and only then we have the liquidity. Okay, if we break down on the third, it's just not a liquidity level, it is just a break level. So we don't need that. When we test this, we needed to go above this bull candle to make that a support candle, and we just failed, and we just created another big resistance here. So white candle followed by two bull candles, right? I'm just on a daily. I'm going to the 4-hour, don't worry guys. I'm going to kind of read everything here for you. So you can see it was tested multiple times. Okay, one time here, second time, 3 times here. On the 4-hour it was tested more times than that. So the next one is here, white candle followed by two bull candles, right? We are not holding this because we already break the price here. Okay, so the highest point of the first bull candle is going to be your break level, and I mark that as dashed, sorry. So we know that if we break this level, we are going to attack the next one here. Okay, let me keep that daily, sorry. So we have the daily here, right? Okay, on the top, this is what we need for now on the daily, right? If we go to the 4-hour, you guys are going to understand this really simple and fast. Okay, so on this daily creation, we are going to mark the highest white candle followed by two bull candles. So this one doesn't count. Okay, just because we already created the daily. Okay, on the moment we probably have a 1-hour there that is followed by two whites, but we just need to start on higher time frames. So I mark this 4-hour here. We can mark the body or the wick. Okay, and we need to understand that the price might go there to both of them, okay, or just one. It's not real important for now. I just want to explain you guys Bitcoin right now. So we could follow the trail here. We could go to that daily over here. Okay, I'm not really sure this one is the best one because we kind of already broke that. But just for you guys to understand, okay, that when we break the level, we need to go and try to follow the trail. So we have the 4-hour here, okay, and when we did not have that daily, we had this 4-hour here. Okay, it was already tested 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So do we need this one? Well, for the moment now, because we have the strongest one here. Okay, the price can go to the body again. I don't believe it's going to do that unless it's trying to break up. Okay, if we reject here, it's going to break down because this is a big resistance candle. Okay, on a 4. So I could go to the 1 hour. It's not really necessary for you guys to understand. Let's go to the bottom. Okay, so on the bottom, we kind of don't have a strong level on a daily, man. We were supposed to make this one. Okay, blue candle on the bottom, followed by two whites. The price kind of tries to hold here. You can see we created another one here, but the price is not able to stay above. We were not able to open and close a white candle above the body here. We do it here, right? But the price goes this and tries to break down. As you can see, we have the break level here. Okay, the lowest point of the first white candle is going to be the break level. So when we attack the break level, it means that the price wants to break down. We might not break on the first one, we actually break on the second. So, well, we could adapt the daily here, but we fail, right? And, well, we fail again here. This support wasn't able to protect the break level and the price breaks down. So right now, after this daily, we just don't have a daily support. Okay, we don't have a blue candle that is followed by two white candles. Okay, we just have a white candle. So this is not a strong support. What we are going to find is the 4 hour, because it's just the 4 hour that is holding us, right? Previously, sorry, we had this one here, 4 hour, but the price was rejected on the top on that daily, right? So breaks down, creates another one here, and you can see, even though it doesn't test on the first, okay, it just builds up, attacks the top, and has another big rejection, comes down, okay, and we are just building up from this one. This is the next one, blue candle followed by two white candles. Okay, the price breaks on the third, but it's not really important. We hold here, and the price is now trying to attack the top again. We might actually break this range, okay, but we have a big one and a strong one here on the rounding the 80k, I believe. Yeah, 80k here. The break level is here. This is the resistance, okay, and we have the break level of this resistance right here, the highest point of the first bull candle. So I like to mark the wick, and then we when we start moving there, I just mark the body. But first we need to break this one, and this might turn to be a big liquidity on the daily. If we reject this one here, the price might just break down. Okay, we need to break through and attack the next resistance, otherwise we might just break down, and if we come to this liquidity, we might go even lower. Okay guys, I hope you guys liked these levels. Thank you so much, and see you guys on the next video.